Hi, I'm Jake Lekas, and this is my 15-112 term project, Maps Are Fun. So using this application, you can find your way around Carnegie Mellon University, as well as find out what restaurants on campus are open and where they're situated on the map. In order to travel between points, you either select the starting and ending point, or you can enter in a starting and ending point, and then hit Control P to find the pathway. There's several pages here on the home screen. There's Control H to reach the help screen, Control K to reach the map screen, and Control I to reach the instructions page. So let's go ahead and check out the instructions page right now. I'm just hitting Control I and the page changes. So this just tells you how to enter a starting and ending location. It also tells you how to find the pathway. All you have to do is hit Control P once you have a starting and ending location. If you only have a starting or an ending, or you don't have any locations entered in, there will be a pop-up that tells you that you don't have a valid pathway. So we're going to go ahead and check out the map page right now. And I just hit Control M. So basically, oh, I was already here. But in order to find your way between pathways, all you have to do, I'm just going to show you how to click. So you hit the G, and then you hit P. And if you're not sure what these locations are, well, they're Mudge and Posner Hall, and it shows you the exchange. But if you're still unsure because I'm not there to help you, you just go to the map key, and here we go, G, Mudge House, and here's P, Posner Hall. So if you want to find your way between, say, Stever House, which is F, and Skibo Gymnasium, T, then all you have to do is return to the map page. And so now we're at F, and then you enter in T, and then to show the pathway you hit Control P. So now this shows you the pathway. It's highlighted in red all the nodes that are touched, and it shows you the restaurants again, which is empty because there's no restaurants in Stever or Skibo. And then it shows you the information over here on the side. It shows you the distance, which is 3,730 feet. And it shows you the walking, that'll be 14 minutes and 14 seconds. And the biking, which is 4 minutes and 4 seconds. So that's just found. I assume the biker would travel at 10 miles an hour, and a walker would travel at around 3 miles an hour. So this is pretty much how you navigate between points. So say you go to Central Catholic High School and you want to enter in a point that's at your high school. So all you have to do, I hit Control E there, and now it displays all the numbers of the node because you have to number your new entry point, and you want to make sure it's not any of the numbers that are already taken. So just to make sure, I'll name it 596, which is clearly out of range of the number of points. And so now here I'll click on a point that I want to enter in. It immediately pops up, and now all you have to do is select the neighboring points. So I'm just going to select a couple here. And there we go. That's just a couple of the neighboring points, just for example. I hit Control E. The point is here. So now I'll click on that point, and it'll show a pathway. It'll show the distance of 462 feet and 1 minute and 1 second walking. Say you want to do it from a point that's not connected, I'll click here, and then it'll show you a pathway there, regardless of whether it was on the map to start off with or not. So you can also enter in multiple points at once. Here I'll give my new point 965, click it here, and select this as the neighboring points, and say I want to go from here, this point, to this point. Oh, here we go. Hit Control P, and it shows you the pathway between points. And say you are hungry at this time, and you're trying to get from the UC to Stever. You find the pathway. It shows you which restaurants are open. So say you're hungry for downtown Delhi. What you want to do is click on the food page, which shows you a directory of all the food locations on campus. See, I'm keep clicking down, but you can only go a certain depth so that you just don't scroll in continuously. And say, here we go. Oh, okay. I found downtown Delhi. The hours are 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. Well, it's 10:47 a.m. now, so I guess I'll have to wait 13 minutes. And it's situated at the UC second floor. But, I mean, that's close enough that if I was really hungry, I could go there at this time. And so here I'm just going to navigate back to the map page and So say you're a new user and you're still confused, you didn't understand the instructions or any of the other pages. I have a help page here that is more explicit in telling you how to navigate between pages, how to add a point, how to enter edit mode where you edit points on the map, and how to use the search bars. And so this is pretty much my 15-112 Fall 15 semester term project. Thank you.